Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it.
I'm going to make panta bhat today. So apparently it is said to be very light on stomach and very gut friendly, which we want because in the morning our stomach is like detoxing by itself. So why not give it a little break as well, and it is healthy as well. So this fermented food are basically said to be very good on stomach. It has good microbiome. So yeah, let's make it. I've got the easiest recipe. So let's make it. So this is what we need for the bharta. We need garlic, onions, we need chilies. We'll put onions. Okay. Let's have a mixture. Onion, lettuce, bread, along with the chutney. That's one of my favorite evening snacks to have. Just look at that. So we're gonna quickly get ready for the Rakhi celebration. I have used this earlier. Then that's our moisturizer. We're gonna start with the sunscreen now.
लेकिन एक सेकंड
Keep it for 45 minutes. By the time we'll do our brows. Brows are the only thing that I specifically do every time. Either blush and brows. This is the only blush I use. Very clean girl vibes. All done. Just gonna set our makeup with a setting spray. We'll come back in 5. That's our final look. She's ready as well. इसको मैंने अच्छा बना दिया है at the last. And this is mine. I'll show you my hairs. Let's go. Here I have air fried some paneer for the paneer crispy. These are the veggies where I've added capsicum, cabbage, onion, ginger and garlic.